So everybody's asking me, what do I use to film? Okay, so I decided to make an overall, and then I'll make several other videos on each one that I use and give you some pointers on them or tell you what they do. Let's start off with the drones, okay? The two drones I use are the DJI's, okay, and the hovercraft. This one's great, doesn't need a remote. I'll tell you later why, okay? Then for underwater, I either use this little thing here that my kids bought. I haven't used it yet, but supposedly it goes on your fishing line. It's on the end of your fishing line, and whenever the fish bites, that's what you get to see. I'm dying to use this one, see how good it works. And I use this one for underwater. Of course, everybody knows the GoPro. I also use it for other things, but that's it. Then this is the one this is probably the one I use the most. This is the 360 X5. Films all the way around. Great camera. As far as mics, this is the one I use. It's from Amazon. It's cheap, like 60 bucks. It goes on the phone. And that's it. And of course, my iPhone. Oh, I can't forget my Meta glasses, Ray-Bans. This is the newest edition. I'm just starting to use this one. Hit a like and follow, so as the videos come out, you won't miss them. All right, guys? Peace out. All right, let's start with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's the one I have, as you can see here. I'm gonna fly it right now. What you're hearing is it's telling me that there's objects around. So my gazebo is too close. Let's get it up higher. Let's go ahead and start filming. We are 156 feet high. Okay, it's coming in for a landing. Can I see it? Look up, there it is. Let's see how accurate it is. Hopefully it doesn't hit anything or land in my pool. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Land. That's the beauty about this thing. It'll follow you. It'll orbit around you. It does quite a bit of stuff. I mean, this is one of my favorite when I want to do, you know, scenery, like a bridge or something like that. That's your DJI. You want technical? Look it up. Okay. These are my Ray-Bans. This is how I'm shooting the Ray-Ban shot. Wherever you want, wherever your eyes go, the camera goes. That's it on this. Now the attention is on the Insta360 X5. This is the camera I use the most, especially on the boat, because it catches 360. You're saying how? Well, it has double lens. You see the other lens? And then this part right here, it stitches it together. Even though it can't film this, it's enough that the computer stitches it together. Let's test it. I'm gonna go all the way around, and I'm gonna have it follow me when I go and do the edits. And you don't do anything on the actual camera. The editing software is so advanced, it's great. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff. I can film the sky, I can film the floor, I can film all the way around. So if somebody's catching a fish over here, and I'm catching a fish over here, it's gonna get it all. This is the Insta360, an amazing camera. All right, it's time to do a cool one. We're gonna do the Hover X1. This is a Hover X1, the first version. I've had this for several years, used it for hiking, or if I want it to follow me, this is the camera I like to use. So to turn it on, just hold down the button. See the camera setting up? Ready? Listen. All right, let's hover. So it's filming right now. It's got a mic and it's listening, so it's beautiful. So it'll hover right there. Let's go ahead and now land. Here we go. That's it. Let's do bird eye now. The next selection will be bird eye, which basically means it comes right up over me. It should fly straight up sooner or later. Battling that wind. There it is. Come on, you can do it. Go a little higher. Set for 13 feet. All right, come on back, please. 4 different things. But you know what? Let's test out now. Follow. Let's see how accurate it is. We're gonna try to go through those doors without crashing. Let's see if it works. All right, it's got me. Let's go. Come on in. Let me show you my crib. Come on in. MTV Cribs. Let's see if we can get it in here. Here we go. Let's see. I'm not even gonna look. Did it make it? Look at that. Oh boy. All right, go ahead and land. No wind in here. Look how nice it lands. It's great for just following and just neat stuff. You don't need a remote. You want to keep your hands free. You're playing golf or fishing or something. Oh, can't go over water. It will land in the water because it's not reading the ground. So make sure you never fly it over water. Okay, let's test out the Maono mic system. It's like 60 bucks on Amazon, of course, Amazon. This goes connected to your phone. And as you can see, I have the mic on right now. And it's a little magnet, which I just dropped. Oh, tickles. You put the magnet, you put this, and that's it. It's going to record. All right. Here we go, setting up the mic. That's it. There's no power on or anything else. You just plug that in. Let's set it up right here on my tripod. And as for the mic, remember I told you the mic you got to turn on right here. Let's test out the background noise and the wind with this mic. What you're listening to now is my iPhone recording. Remember, this is made for iPhones. I haven't tested on anything else, but we'll see. All right, so let's go to the test now. All right, we should be on the mic. It should be testing the mic. Let's see, what do you guys think? What's it sound like? Oh, let's go way back here and see if you can still hear me next to my dolphin. Still hear me nice and clear? Let's test out the background noise, the wind, the guy sawing over there. See if you hear him. I think we're good. Tell me what you guys think. So this is that mic. It's great, on and off easily. See? That's it. All right.